Say toys.
Toy.
No matter how many cool toys you give them, Hawken has developed a taste for the finer things. The luxury items we can't afford to waste.
Sounds like luxury.
Boop boop booty.
Don't worry, none of it's going to waste. Why are you in my shop? I cut it up into little squares and used it. Here's an idea to keep the little ones entertained and reuse and recycle items you already have in your house. Just tape the rolls to a wall or a window and race
Lots of pickup.
all 4,126 of your little tiny cars right down. For added fun, you can put one of these baskets at the bottom of the track and let it collect all those little tiny cars.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
You'll rest easy knowing that you didn't waste the toilet paper
Yay!
and you didn't waste the roll that it came on.
Yay!